All right, good afternoon, everyone. We're going to discuss the upcoming storm system for this weekend. So let's go ahead and get started. Thanks for joining us today. So just in the short term here, we do have a potential for some high winds, gusts of over 60 to maybe even 80 miles an hour. So there could be some strong winds, especially along the Rocky Mountain front into the northern and central plains there. And then moving along there, we're going to start seeing that active weather show up here. And so we're looking for some rain, probably starting up sometime Friday. And then continuing into the weekend, we're going to see that rain switch over to snow. And so here we go. Here's our latest snowfall forecast. Quite a bit. We're looking at feet of snow in the Rocky Mountain front, 1 to 1.5 feet along the adjacent high plains, and then from there, our uncertainty becomes a little bit, we're still working that out, but we have 6 to 8 inches in some of the central areas. So we talk about uncertainty. Let's take a closer look here at what we're certain on, and that's along the Rocky Mountain front right there. It's pretty high confidence there that we're going to see quite a bit of snow in that area. Again, the measurements could be in feet of snow. And so what are we not quite certain on? Let's take a look at what that is. Right now, what we're still trying to work out is where does that cold air set up? There's going to be a sharp cutoff somewhere, and so what we are trying to kind of determine now is what you see outlined here. Is what are those snow totals going to be? And again, over the weekend, sometime Saturday and into Sunday, we're going to see that rain probably switch over to snow. So what are the impacts going to be of all this? And here you can see there's impacts ranging from all sorts of things. Agriculture, if you have livestock out there, think about what a wet rain and then cold and snowy conditions could do to your livestock. Anyone outdoors, it is that hunting time of year. Anyone outdoors could experience some adverse conditions. Anyone on area lakes, we're going to see some rough conditions with some stronger winds. And then think about trees. When you have a lot of this is going to be a heavier wet snow, and there's still a lot of leaves on the trees. So as that accumulates, those tree branches could come down. And we're also kind of concerned about maybe some power line potentials coming down. And then with any kind of snow is just traveling. We could see those travel impacts, especially Saturday into Sunday. So if you have anywhere to be, it's really good to keep up to date with the latest forecast and the latest road conditions. So, along with the snow is a potential for some cold temperatures. We're talking about conditions, not even seeing high temperatures getting above freezing, especially on Sunday as that fresh snowfall comes down. And then low temperatures are even going to be more of a concern on Monday there, where we could see low temperatures become into the 20s. And perhaps cooler. If you count the wind chill factor on there, it could be even single digits and teens. So again, think about your exposure if you're outdoors, what that's going to do to not only yourself but perhaps your pets or livestock. And so how long is this cold air going to stick around? We're looking like with the fresh snow, it could be below normal temperatures through next week, but we might see it warm up a little bit, but overall the 8 to 14 day outlook is going to be cold with some areas maybe a slight chance below normal precipitation, but otherwise kind of equal chances there. So that's kind of the briefing, but what can you do to prepare right now? We do still have a couple days to prepare, which is good. So right now, start stocking up on some extra food. If you do have to travel, again, we advise to always keep up to date on the latest road and weather conditions, but if you do have a travel, use this time now to make those road kits. Have plenty of batteries, have multiple ways to receive weather information. That could include a NOAA weather radio. And then also just consider the potential impacts from trees being down. So that could mean like maybe not parking vehicles under trees, or also consider what would you do if there is a power outage. Are you stocked up for something like that? So just kind of use this time to prepare everything, your home, your car, and anything else that may be impacted. So that is all the information we have for you so far. Again, keep up to date. You can find us at weather.gov/Great Falls or on Twitter and Facebook. But yes, please let us know if you have any questions. You can put them in the comments and we will answer them. But thanks again for joining us, and everyone please stay safe.